guys, it's Valerie here, so welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be filming a everyday, easy summer makeup tutorial. So on my Instagram, I had posted whether you guys wanted to see a updated brow routine or if you wanted to see a easy summer makeup tutorial, and you guys said you wanted a easy summer makeup tutorial. So that is what I'm doing today on my channel. And I know that you guys are going to be super excited because this is also a drugstore look. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's just get right onto the video.
Hold up.
And people are working at the house next to me, so I am in my family room. I'm not in my room, and you can probably hear them talking. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first thing first is primer. Some people don't add primer. I already have moisturizer on my face. I use the Pond's moisturizer. Anything else breaks me out. My skin is so weird. But I found this Wet n Wild matte primer. You can get this at Walgreens, Walmart, CVS, but this retails for $3. And for $3, it does not break out my face, and it lasts up to 12 hours. So I'm just gonna take the primer and I'm gonna put that on my face. I'm just gonna use this brush to blend out that primer. And a lot of people always wonder why I put primer on my neck. It's because you put foundation there, and you don't want your foundation to be nice and smooth on your face, and then when it gets onto your neck, it's like, whoa, patchy. I don't know. I mean, that never happens to me, but I just figure since you put foundation on your face, you should put some on your neck as well. But since this is going to be a drugstore tutorial, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth Foundation. I usually use the matte one in the winter time. The dewy smooth one I use in the summertime, so you can look nice and dewy, but at the same time we have that matte primer underneath, just like blending everything out super nice. You won't be too oily, but you won't be too dry. This does not have a pump, which I don't like, so I usually just tilt my head and add it like that. I don't have a lot, but I don't want to put a lot either. I'm just going to take that, pat it, distribute it everywhere. And I'm just going to blend that in. I know I used to use a sponge for the longest time. I still use a sponge, guys, but I find that with a brush it's easier to blend than having to dab consistently, which is still fine. I still use my beauty blender time to time. And make sure you bring that foundation down to your neck. You hear them? You hear that? Shut the fuck up, I'm recording. Whatever. Make sure you do that. You blend your forehead out. I usually don't add a lot of foundation to my forehead. I don't know why I did this. Look at my forehead, guys. My forehead game is so strong. My eyes are like super baggy today. I don't know if you guys can see that. So this is one layer. I'm not about to add 2 layers because we don't want to look cakey. So for concealer, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Dark Circles Eraser. But I don't use it for the dark circle, you know what I mean? I just use it for a concealer because it works for me. And if you guys want to know, this is in the color Tan. At first I thought this was going to be too light for me. I'm just going to go ahead and add some right here. I'm not going to add some on my nose and on my chin. This concealer actually retails for like $7, I believe. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out. I just wanna go ahead and tap. When I first got this concealer, I thought it was going to be too light. But then I was like, I think it'll work. And the chin. So I have a super cheap setting powder for you guys. I mentioned this in my other video as well. This is the Coty Airspun setting powder. It retails for like $5 at Walgreens. So this is super cheap, and I have the translucent loose powder one. And I'm just gonna dip my beauty blender in the powder. And I'm going to set under the eye. So that I mean it's still kind of like white, but I'm not adding a lot. I still set my smile lines because I crease there a lot. And I'm not gonna bake, guys. It may look like I am, but I'm really not, because I'm about to wipe this all off. I'm gonna put this in there. You want to make sure you set your whole entire face so that foundation is not glad. I know this may look really white on camera underneath my eyes, but it's not going to stay like that. So don't be worried, guys. I was super worried when I first purchased this setting powder too. You just want to make sure you blend everything out. This is the only product that I have that is not drugstore, because I cannot find a bronzer or contour powder to save my life. So I use a MAC Baked Blush to bronze my face. So this isn't new, guys. I've been using this for such a long time on my channel. So I'm just gonna take this on a BS small brush. I'm just gonna swirl it in there, tap off the excess, and bronze my face. My face up, bronze my forehead. I don't really bronze my forehead that much, but today I'm gonna do it. And I'm not gonna contour my nose, but I'm just gonna lightly, well I am, slightly go up and down. Okay, so next up I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me blush in the color 55. I'm just gonna take this, tap it in there. Okay, just like that. Okay, so next up I'm going to be taking this white eyeliner pencil from Essence. I'm going to be placing that in my lower lash line just to brighten up the eyes, make us look awake even though we're not. See that? See the difference? L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, and I also use the Wet n Wild Mascara. These are the only two that I use. I'm not adding fake lashes today. This is going to be a nice, cute, simple, everyday look. This look will probably be a lot faster for you guys because you're not talking as you're doing it, and I'm talking, so this look is very simple. It takes like 10 minutes. Okay, so next up is highlight, and this is my all-time favorite drugstore highlighter. It is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the color Molten Gold or Fondue. I'm going to be taking this highlighter brush, right guys? And this is when we want to look super glowy, right? So I'm just going to take some of this product on this brush like this, and I'm going to take off the excess. Then I'm going to take my setting spray, and I'm going to hold it at a distance and get it all up in there. And then I'm just gonna put this on my cheeks. Highest point of my cheeks. See? Look at that. It looks like it melted into her skin. So I'm just gonna keep doing that. Wrong side. So now that our brush is already wet, so we can put it on. Spraying it. So I did my mascara first before I did the highlight because that gives the mascara enough time to dry. So when I'm ready to set my face, the mascara doesn't run, because that happened to me before and it was not fun. I'm gonna add some on my nose, on my chin, keep it so, yes, and then underneath my brow bone. Gosh, my glow. So this is a very beautiful color. And it's very natural to me, so I feel like this is a very beautiful, natural color for women of color, or any woman actually, but this is the color right here. So I already have chapstick on my lips, so how I get this to look very natural is I just add some on my bottom lip, like that, and then I don't rub it, I just take my finger and I add some to the top of my lips. Just like that. That's how I get my lips to look super natural, because I have yet to find a lipstick that is neutral or natural for me. I'm sure there are some out there, I just haven't encountered with any yet. So that's it for the lips. And then last but not least, I'm going to take my NYX primer. This is actually a first base primer, but it's still a primer spray, you know, so I'm just going to use that to set and prime my face. And that's it. And that's it. That is our easy summer look. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys!